Hello, 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 and welcome to Friday We Feast. We just hit 80 subscribers, and I thought I'd start a weekly thing where we check out different backpacking foods, and I'll have some recipes and things like that we can check out. And I figured we'd test them, do taste tests, and I could show you how we make them and things we like to eat on the trail. So today's feast will be the biscuits and gravy Mountain House meal. We've had this before. I'm not a huge fan. It didn't mix the first time I used it very well, so I'm going to give it a try again and see and let you guys know how it tastes. Calories is 310. This is a single serving bag. Total carbs is 36 grams. It's a decent backpacking meal. It's real light. These Mountain House meals are always light and dehydrated. So here we go. We're gonna taste it, and see how it is. Now let's feast. This meal takes 175 milliliters. I've got a 200 milliliter on my cup, so we'll fill it up to there, close to there. And then we'll get her fired up here. We'll cover it up so it boils faster. Now we remove the opener up. Always make sure to take out your flavor packet. And that's a joke. Don't eat that. And then we'll pour our water in. Like before. Okay, now we seal her up. Seal it up and put 10 minutes on the clock. Start at 10 minutes. At the 4-minute mark, we need to stir one more time. So we'll stir one more time, make sure we don't got nothing hanging out in the bottom. Seal her back up. Okay, we are done. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. There she is. Okay, here we go. I'm digging in. I'm going to stir just a little bit more. It does look like there's some big pepper flakes. Let's see. It's got a lot of flavor, but I'm not liking the soggy bread. Not a big fan. I don't think this will be a meal that I take backpacking with me. Yeah. Too much soggy bread. Sausage pieces taste good, but that's about it. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate everybody subscribing and like and everything. Comment what's your favorite backpacking meal. Next week on Friday We Feast, we will be having backpacking outdoor fajitas. We eat these all the time, so that'll be really exciting, and keep watching. Thanks.